More than 50% of women develop a UTI during their lifetime. In 20% of them, the infection becomes recurrent. Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America published an article on the interplay between the host defense and E. coli within the bladder, which states, the virulence factor of E. coli is due to the Fimbriae, mainly the P. fimbriae and type 1 fimbriae. E. coli attaches to the receptors on superficial bladder cell with P. fimbriae or type 1 fimbriae. The bacteria are then internalized into the cell where they replicate to high levels. E. coli can avoid clearance by exfoliation and infect surrounding epithelial cells. The current management of recurrent UTIs with antibiotics has a high probability of developing antibiotics resistance. For the first time in India, a novel preparation from BioNova, Urip 900 tablets, cranberry extract 300 mg, D-mannose 600 mg. Rip off E. coli, the promising choice for total urinary comfort. Rapid relief that lasts. For prophylaxis in recurrent UTIs. For treating acute UTIs. Reduces the recurrence of symptomatic cystitis. Reduces the incidence of E. coli infection. Exhibits bacterial anti-adhesion activity. Adjunct to antibiotics. Researchers have shown that proanthocyanidins or PAC in cranberry has a similar effect like the antibiotic trimethoprim in preventing the adhesion of type 1 fimbriae to the uroplakin receptor or uroepithelium and adhesion of P. fimbriae to Gal-Gal receptor or uroepithelium. D-mannose prevents the lectin in E. coli from bonding with mannose of uroepithelium. D-mannose sticks to E. coli and is effectively rinsed by urination. Studies reveal that the incidence of side effects is significantly lower with D-mannose than antibiotic and is safe in diabetics as it does not interfere with blood sugar regulation. The Journal of the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology 2014 published a trial to study the efficacy of cranberry in the prevention of recurrent urinary tract infection. The results stated that the average number of UTIs per subject was significantly lower in the cranberry group relative to the placebo group and concluded that cranberry was well tolerated and no adverse effects were reported. Prescribe Urip 900 tablets to prevent recurrent UTIs in a natural way to rip off E. coli. Made of natural ingredients, no known side effects, no known drug resistance.